Hey there. So cleaning window screens is fun. Said no one ever. So the team over at MyLifeUNIT sent over this screen cleaner to make things a little easier for us. Let's open up the box and see how it works. So when you open the box, there are two pieces in the box. Number one, there's a handle with a hanger to hang it up when you're done. Number two, there's the actual scrubber that has its own handle. So if you're just doing an easy thing that you can reach, then maybe you want to use this. If you need a little bit of extension, then you attach this. It attaches super easy. There's arrows provided. You slide that through there. The two arrows meet and you're ready to go. If you want to take it apart, just reverse the process. Comes out good to go. This can be used wet or dry. You can wash it clean by hand and then hang it up to dry. Let's see how it works. So let's try this thing out dry, and it's kind of hard to see the screen on the camera, but we're gonna take this and use it and see what we get on here. So you just wanna take your screen, and of course you still have to be gentle. You don't wanna tear your screen, but you just go up and down. And I can actually see that I'm getting all that dust and dirt off the screen. And you guys can probably see on the camera, it's collected it here. I can definitely see more around here. Let's do the whole screen and then take a look at it. All right, guys, so I actually went up and down the screen. You can definitely see the dirt here. This was just the dry application. So you can use a little bit of soap and water if you want and get it even cleaner, or maybe a little vinegar solution and water to clean the screen. But I really like how the fibers help to get down in that screen. So you're not using a flat cloth. These actually have a little bit of scrub to them. It is still soft, but just that up and down motion to clean that screen, you're gonna get a wide swath every time you go up and down. So whether you're using it on its own or with the handle, guys, I hope this helps you decide on if MyLifeUNIT's screen cleaner is a good fit for you.